Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets Q to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw Q and use red color. Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for snack. The alphabets of S. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids, now U. U for umbrella, U for ankle, and U is blue color. Blue color. V for van, V for violent. The alphabets of V. It's neither W. W for wallet, W for watch. The alphabets of W, and U is green color. Green color. X for X-ray, X for telephone. The alphabets of X. It's neither Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. The alphabets of Y, and U is black color. And Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.